I don't want to make money on you guys. I do offline social media consulting. I'm thinking of doing it, honestly. Part of me is considering, just to make some money, because your girl's gotta eat. I don't really like people paying me for streaming advice though, which is weird, which is where the gray area comes in. I don't like getting paid for streaming advice. Because it's really subjective, but at the same time, social media consulting is subjective, so I don't really know. I feel like I would be somebody that's very good to go contact for social media consulting, because I'm, like, very familiar with doing that. I don't know. High Temperature Club, I've been debating. I've been playing around with the idea of it. Because I want to make money. I need to make money. I'm trying to live, bro. Like, I don't know where to sit with this, because I personally don't like it when people charge for streaming advice. Because I don't like it when there is a paywall to go, oh, buy Dino Nuggies. But yeah, I don't like it when there is a paywall for anybody to achieve their dream over subjective advice. That is what I don't like. I don't like paywalls for advice. At the same time, consulting is something that is done in a lot of industries. And consulting is something that I can't realistically do for everybody for free. It just takes too much time. That's the unfortunate thing. So I do streaming reviews on Saturday, and that's like the best way I could stream reviews on Saturdays, plus the channel point thing for like me to review your content for 30 minutes. So I do that. And like that's how I make it free basically. So there's been an increase in demands from people like you guys, asking for more consulting. I'm been hesitant to go and make people pay for it. And then, okay, so on my Patreon, also Fence, no. What the fuck? You give me a stream advice and you also pay me a boba? Okay, no. Like, so here's the other thing too. I see you out here hustling. Here's the other problem too, right? I do have a Patreon where there is a tier where you can subscribe and I would give you advice for an X amount. I'm already uncomfortable with the fact that I do that. Strew, thank you for the follow. Welcome to my stream. I did that simply because I had people who asked, hey, I want more advice, but I can't simply farm up as much channel points as I would like to get it. So can I just pay you to make it faster? And I made it pretty cheap. I made it a $30 sub, like $1 per minute, so $30 for a half an hour, which for consulting purposes and given my expertise in this department is pretty damn cheap. So part of me wants to raise the price to try to discourage people from doing it, because I would just rather use channel points to get it for free. But at the same time, I don't want to, again, create a precedent where I'm setting a paywall. So I've been in this dilemma for such a long time where I'm like, this is something that I could probably market and make money off of. I don't want to make money off of your dreams. And I don't want to set up a financial paywall between you and success. I've been going back and forth about this for the longest fucking time. I've been going back and forth on this for the longest time. Exactly. I don't want to set up a precedent of me reviewing people's content for money. I am so huge on doing it for free. And I have so many opportunities where I would do it for free for you. But I think, Ichiko, thank you. I appreciate... Oh, Ichiko, did I read that right? Thank you so much. Thank you for the kind words. I really, really, really appreciate it. Jack, OMG, TTV, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you so much. But yeah, see, that's the problem. But I think I might do it, but I might make it available as a thing, but I would just, again, heavily caution against you paying me money for it, whereas you could just get the stream review for free with channel points. See, that exactly, Alvin. I want to avoid a precedent of the slippery slope of I will take money for advice. okay, and then I will do streaming advice for money. Hi, Tiff, and then I will release a PDF and charge you guys money for it. Hi, Captain Sirens, what's good? So that's also my biggest problem, because as a full-time streamer, I'm trying to go and make money because, you know, I need to, like, live. And currently, I did the math with my friend earlier today, and I make less than minimum wage where I live. I live in California, or, like, SF, so minimum wage here is $15 an hour. Bunny Anna, thank you for the follow. And I make significantly less than minimum wage, which is the problem. Yes, I am the girl that does streaming advice on TikToks. But also at the same time, I don't want to make money off of you guys. That's never my intention. Or if you guys, my viewers are not my target audience to make money. Captain Cyrus and Pinky, thank you for the follows and welcome to my stream. California is expensive, Tiff. It makes me so mad. It's so expensive here. Like, everything is so expensive. Yeah, Alvin, you see my dilemma? Yeah, you've definitely been here long enough. Waffle, yes, I'm literally family friendly with an asterisk. But I'm, like, family friendly enough to where, I don't know what that is. Squid? Did I read that right? So, Psyched, thank you for the follow. Welcome to my stream. So, this is where my dilemma lies, where, again, I don't want to make money off of my viewers. I don't want to make money off of you guys at all. But I also do need to make money. Gracie! So I made an Etsy shop, right? So I have an Etsy profile to reach out to some companies for more sponsorships. I think I do. I need to go and just get together, reach out to bigger companies. I'm trying to figure out as to what I am even looking for to be sponsored in the first place. If that makes sense. Because it's like, I want money, haha, pog, and then I need to go provide a service for money. So, like, I've been sponsored before to promote things as, like, an influencer for promoting. Getting money from the government as universal credit, Hannah, yes and no. The problem is, I don't count as a salary employee because Twitch doesn't pay me a salary. I get paid based on subs, which is not a salary, which causes its own problems with a lot of government-related things too. So I don't actually count as a salary worker, which means I don't count for a lot of benefits. I still do have to pay taxes, but I pay in a different form. Yeah, W9. I will have to pay on my Twitch taxes this year, and I do make enough to pay on taxes, which is the problem. I have done freelance graphic design work. Here's the problem again, right? I make less than minimum wage with my content creation. Allie was not found. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to my stream. I appreciate you so much. Graphic design is an industry that it is so like oversaturated. So hi, Salty Dear and Michael. So I make enough to pay income tax, but I am below minimum wage. So you see where the problem is? So I don't get benefits. I make already below minimum wage, and I'm gonna get taxed on my income, which is below minimum wage. And then I am a graphic designer and illustrator, and commissions are very inconsistent. A very inconsistent form of income. I do graphic design. Graphic design is an industry, and illustration is an industry that is oversaturated in graphic designers and artists, and there is not as much demand as there are workers. So therefore, the pay is very low for graphic design. So, and again, it's another freelance type commission-based work. So my entire income is inconsistent. I have no set income, which is utterly terrifying. And that's where the dilemma lies, right? Hi, Bailey, also. So I'm trying to get consistent income. I'm trying to make stuff more consistent with, like, YouTube ad revenue, except I'm not monetized on YouTube yet, so I can't do that. And with Patreon, hopefully, down the line. Hi, Special, thank you for the follow. I was contracted for a little bit, but it was still a little bit inconsistent. But yeah, so the problem is I'm trying to get a little bit more, I'm trying to get consistent income, basically, at least, like, some form of consistent income, and it's just hard. Like, it's hard with so much financial insecurity. Hi, Boba King! Best username out here! What's good, what's good? Thank you so much for dropping by. Hi, Skungilbert, thank you for the follow. Some stability in your life to reassure yourself. Yeah, exactly, right? Like, I've been doing freelance work since I was, like, 16, 17. D's Donuts, thank you for the follow. Getting paid under the table, haha. But it's hard because I've lived on freelance income, which is, like, unstable income for such a long time. But now that I'm, you know, an adult now, I just graduated from college, I want to... Also, by the way, I can't buy a house because I have no salary income. So there's like now huge loopholes I have to jump through to buy real estate because of the fact that I have no salaried income. So according to like the bank, I don't make any money. According to the bank, I have no income because I don't have a salary income. So this is also the problem when your entire income is inconsistent, right? Yeah, Squinkle, that's literally how it works. That's literally, yeah. That's like a big... I mean, yes and no. There's a lot of like weird loopholes. Proof of income, but I can't really provide proof of income. And even if I could provide it, I also don't make enough. So there's also that problem. 2 years combined of tax returns, I don't make enough. It's hard. It's hard. There's just like a lot of... But honestly, hi Minnie. Minnie, what's good? I feel like also, I'm lucky. I want to buy a house in California though, which is the problem. I really like living here because I'm a bitch when it comes to weather. California's the only place where the weather is going to be a solid 70 degrees year round. Yeah, there's a lot of barriers to home owning too, which sucks. And a lot of them are financial. Like, it's... But, okay, this is like basically going to like... It's like a huge spiel going back to like my original point where basically, yeah, no one will give you a loan. I can't get a loan. Like, basically, I want to join a content house. It would be fun. But eventually... Azirbe, thank you for the follow. Welcome to my stream. Kind of proof of income trend and the 1040, but not making enough enough could be a problem. See, that again cycles to my my mom is an accountant actually, and my brother is also he's working in finance as well. He's majoring with a degree in finance, and he's an actuary. And my mom is a financial advisor / accountant. So I have people in my family that are really like available to help me out with finances and stuff like that. But it's just really hard. It's just hard. And like the main problem though is like buying a house is like down the line. I'll worry about that. But the biggest problem is just getting a consistent income. I need to make an LLC soon. Susan, thank you for the follow. I will soon. The problem was there's an upfront cost of paying $800 a year to subscribe or like to have an LLC, at least like from what I've researched. Maybe it might be different, but I couldn't front the 800. Now I can't, but at the time I couldn't. It's really expensive. It's really expensive. It was yearly, but I'm in California, so California is really weird about this stuff. You pay out of your ass for everything. I don't know how much your McDonald's and Burger Kings are. 200? It's 800 here. Also, but I was checking LLC for a different reason though. Ario, thank you so much for the follow. How much money to be friends? No money. Just be a decent person. But if you buy me boba, like you're fast tracking it 10 times, but you know. Yeah, no, it's literally California. California is dummy expensive. I pay out of my ass for taxes too. Like the state tax. Nah, I'm not trying to do some multi-level marketing level stuff. That's I don't want to do any of that weird shit. Yes, Jasmine Green Milk Tea. Do you remember the add-ons that I do? I have very specific add-ons. But so it's basically just like these are the realistic barriers that you run into doing full-time content creation. I moved back home, yeah, so I don't pay rent right now because I don't make enough, haha. My parents realize I'm a little bit broke, but it's okay. But I have a lot of big plans. I have a lot of big things I want to do in the future that are just passion projects of mine and things that I really truly believe in, and hopefully down the line I can monetize those things and not be broke as hell, haha. My friend, she thinks I'm biased to her brother. You are biased towards Pat. What the fuck? No milk because you're lactose intolerant. Yeah, non-dairy, less ice, regular sweetness, or 80% now. I'm trying to be healthier. I'm getting 80% sugar instead of 100. But I honestly, even though I'm complaining a lot right now, like I am extremely grateful that I'm in a position where I can even try and give full-time content creation a shot. Like I am so grateful to be in this position. So Thank you guys. Like, I really, really, really appreciate you guys for supporting me through everything and being so kind. I really, 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 truly appreciate you guys.